From high above, it does not look like a single home. It looks like a city unto itself. This is the Forbidden City, standing in the heart of Beijing. Vast sea of golden roofs, deep red walls, powerful shape against the modern world, immense scale and quiet strength, one man's grand vision, the Yongle Emperor of the Ming Dynasty. Not just a home, a symbol of divine right to rule, a terrestrial link between mortal world and the heavens. Monumental construction began in 1406, over 1 million workers, countless artisans, 14 years to complete. Precious wood from deep forests, massive stones carved in distant quarries, a microcosm of the universe, earthly order mirroring celestial harmony, every wall, every gate, every courtyard placed with purpose, fortress of power, a stage for imperial life, ritual and cosmic belief guiding every action. Walk through its gates today, feel the weight of centuries. Emperors and empresses, eunuchs and officials lived within these walls, built to inspire awe and enforce separation, forbidden to ordinary people, a sacred center, testament to an intricate system of belief. Design is language, the curve of a roof, the number of steps, each detail carries meaning. Throughout the Forbidden City, one creature appears more than any other. It is the dragon, an ancient symbol of imperial power, good fortune, and command over the elements. The emperor was the dragon embodied, the son of heaven. Dragons writhe on ramps, watch from ceilings, and adorn imperial robes. 5 claws for the emperor alone, 4 for princes and nobles. To claim 5 claws without sanction was treason, punishable by death. The dragon governed water and weather, life itself, for an agrarian empire. Their presence across the palace was a prayer for balance and abundance. Every bow acknowledged political, social, and spiritual authority intertwined. The dragon's gaze was the emperor's gaze, commanding the seen and unseen. Scholars trace these emblems to a doctrine of total cosmic legitimacy. Color in the Forbidden City was a strict code, a visual language of status, meaning, and cosmic belief. Yellow, the most prominent and most restricted, belonged to the emperor. In the 5 elements, yellow is earth, the center of all things. Thus, yellow signified central and supreme rule. Red, fire, fortune, happiness, prosperity, charged the palace with life. Together, they proclaimed supreme luck and vitality. Green, wood, growth, fitting for the crown prince's residence. Black, water, guarding the imperial library from fire. Blue, heaven, linking earthly rights to the celestial realm. These were laws, not suggestions. Precise color rules by rank and function. No official dared claim yellow. To do so was rebellion. A silent, ever-present order made visible. Color as power made manifest. Look up, along the ridges, a parade of small ceramic figures. Roof charms, silent guardians with purpose. The procession begins with a man on a phoenix. Legend warns against cruel power. Behind him, mythical creatures ward off evil and fire, beckon good fortune. Their number signals status, always odd, aligned with auspicious yang energy. The maximum, 9. Only the emperor's grandest hall holds rider plus 9 beasts. Each creature, an emblem, power, grace, strength, swiftness, virtue. Fire-guarding Swanee, justice-seeking Zieji. Anyone could read rank by counting the beasts. The code was visible to all, written against the sky. The Forbidden City is a masterpiece of axial planning. The central line is its backbone. It is the path of imperial power. The greatest halls and the emperor's residences sit upon this axis. The center is stability. So the emperor placed himself at the world's heart. 2 realms, outer for state, inner for life. Supreme harmony, central harmony, preserving harmony, designed to awe. Thousands stood in precise ranks, a government made visible. Northward lay the private world. intimate, enclosed, secluded. The union of emperor and empress mirrored heaven and earth. Farther from the axis, lower the status. Paths dictated by rank. The central way, the emperors alone. The city itself was a lesson in order and hierarchy. Beyond dragons and color lies a deeper code, the language of numbers. 9, the highest single digit, completeness, eternity. Major gates bear 9 rows of 9 golden knobs. Halls stretch 9 bays, 9 as the emperor's signature. 5, wuxing, wood, fire, earth, metal, water. 5 shaped gates and plans to balance cosmic forces. 3, heaven, earth, humanity, joined by the emperor. Standard modules ensured harmony across every beam and bracket. Numbers made the palace feel divine, reflecting celestial order. Repeating 9 and 5 proclaimed rule sanctioned by the cosmos. Stability of dynasty bound to the stability of the universe. For those who read the code, the palace maps time, space, and destiny. After the dragon comes the phoenix, Feng Huang, the empress's emblem. Beauty, good fortune, yin, the feminine balance to yang. Together they signal harmony and prosperity for the realm. Lions stand in pairs to guard thresholds. The male rests on the world, unity and imperial power. The female protects lineage and the dynasty's continuation. Cranes, celestial birds of longevity and wisdom. Deer, homophone for prosperity and official salary. 5 bats for the 5 blessings. Longevity, wealth, health, virtue, a peaceful death. Not random art, visual prayers carved into the palace itself. From lion to bat, each creature adds a layer, turning walls into a living text. A chorus of silent wishes surrounds every step. The Forbidden City is no longer forbidden, now the Palace Museum. To truly appreciate it, we must learn to read its silent messages. A cultural text where color, number, and symbol connect to cosmic order. Preservation fights weather, pollution, and time. Science and craft together guard its integrity. Digital mapping and modeling reveal hidden geometry and alignments. The palace functions as a celestial instrument attuned to the heavens. Scholarship continues. The walls still teach. It challenges us to look closer, think deeper, listen harder. How many hidden messages of imperial power still remain silently carved into the walls of the Forbidden City?